Deer Park Elementary is excited to announce the launch of our STEAM program for the 2026-2027 school year. This innovative program integrates science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics into a vibrant, hands-on curriculum designed to spark creativity, critical thinking, and real-world problem solving. Students will engage in collaborative challenges in our engineering lab, explore new digital skills through technology, and create imaginative projects in our MakerSpace. With a strong history of academic excellence, Deer Park Elementary continues to help students soar through our dynamic house system, which builds belonging, leadership, and positive competition through shared values, service, and school-wide challenges. In addition to a variety of clubs, fine arts programs, and community service opportunities, our school is supported by an active PTO, a dedicated Watchdogs program, and numerous opportunities for parent involvement. We would love to welcome your family to Deer Park Elementary STEAM School. Open enrollment begins March 4th at dpisd.org.